Welcome to Auditors Track. We're going to take you through how you can export reports in different formats like Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word in Auditors Track. So firstly, you need to pick the engagement you'd like the report for, and once you've picked the engagement, you can pick the format you'd want. In this case, we've picked XLS for Microsoft Excel. We will then click on our Export Report button. You need to save your report into a specific folder on your machine. Once the report has been saved, it then opens up in the particular format. In this case, it's Microsoft Excel, showing us all the information related to that engagement, the recommendations, findings, risk impact, and the audit ID. You can also generate the same report in Microsoft Word in a different format. We need to make sure we've saved to a specific folder, and once you've saved on your machine, it will then open up in Microsoft Word, showing us all the information related to that engagement. Microsoft Word gives an option as well that you can edit this particular document if there's anything you need to add to this document. If you have an engagement that has got more information, it will also appear. So let us try and pick another engagement, for example, the SAP, which is currently in progress. If we pick it up and save it in Microsoft Word, this one has slightly more engagements than the first report that we picked, and it also shows each information broken down in Microsoft Word. Again, you can always edit or add more things to this report if you need to. Thank you for watching this video on reports in Auditors Track.